Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Courtney Lynn, and for those of you who do not know me and have never been on this channel before, this is a channel where I love to post cleaning videos and motivation for that, and then also organization, inspiration, and home decor ideas. So if you like that kind of stuff, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell, and it'll let you know every time I post a new video, and you can be in this wonderful and fun YouTube family. In today's video, I thought that I would keep it short and sweet for you guys, but also full of motivation. So I have about an hour before I have to leave to go do some stuff, so I needed to get as much done in 1 hour. So this is a power hour clean with me. So I want to encourage you guys today, if you just have a little bit of time, it's still enough to get some stuff done. So go ahead and set your 1 hour timer along with me, and let's see what we can get accomplished today. Let's go.
Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know one single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know.
Alright, 1 hour timer is set, and I've just taken you through the house and shown you the mess that I'll be dealing with today. Thankfully, it's not too bad. I'm not going to be drowning in work, but I have plenty to do in 1 hour. So I'm starting here in my bedroom, going to be making my bed, and then cleaning up this area, and then putting all my clothes away, making sure everything is tidied up.
So much that I'm still keeping to myself, 'cause you don't listen, babe, but still you got me missing you. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me, but this time, girl, I know to
Alright, my room is now finished and I did it all in about 20 minutes, so I'm pretty proud of myself. That means I have 40 minutes left to do other things around the house, so I'll be starting off in the living room today. I'm just going to be picking everything up. There's just a few things out, so I'm going to be putting those things away, and then I'll make my way into the dining room. Before I place the tablecloth back over the table, I'm going to wipe it down, make sure there's no crumbs on it, no liquid from cups or anything on this table.
Every change has a reason, baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo.
And now moving on into the kitchen, I'm just going to be hand washing a few dishes today, and then wiping down all of the countertops, wiping down the outside of the microwave, the top of the stove top, and then the bar area. So thankfully our appliances were not very bad today at all. So I just wiped down the outside of the microwave because it had a few things on it. I think like a couple smears from touching it. And then I just sprayed down the stove top and wiped that down as well. Usually if it had been used and there was stuff on top of it, I would scrub it with, you know, some dish soap and a scrubber pad. But for today, I just wiped it down because it just was like maybe a little bit dusty or some crumbs had fallen on it from making other food. So it was just an easy clean today, which helped for this 1 hour power hour. One last thing I wanted to do before my hour was up was I wanted to make some tea. My mom likes to keep the sweet tea stocked in our house, so I'm starting the tea before I finish my hour. And I had about 5 minutes left when I had finished everything I needed to get done. So I just finished the 1 hour clean with me. That did not take much time at all. It felt like it went super fast. I got a lot done. I got my room cleaned, living room cleaned, kitchen cleaned. Thankfully they weren't too bad at all, but I felt like I got a lot done. I felt like I got a lot accomplished, so that is a good thing. Now off to the rest of my day to get more stuff done and make everything on time. So thanks so much for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you on the next video. Bye, guys.